Hi, do you want to be an entrepreneur? Do you want to identify the needs that surround you? Let me help you. Here are 5+1 tips to identify them. First tip, ask yourself,
who I am, where I am going, what's the meaning of life?
what are your needs? What is missing in your life? Second tip, walk around. Look at the everyday life of people and find out how you can improve their lives. Third tip, get informed. Make sure you always keep up with the latest news. And make sure they're reliable ones. Fourth tip, is it needed? Because it might be missing, but it doesn't mean it's needed. Fifth tip, just ask. Sharing your thoughts with people is important to get feedbacks. Interacting with locals is the best way to find out what their needs are. And if they ignore you, here is an extra tip. Whatever happens, follow your heart. Thanks for watching.